Good evening, kids. It's let's see, I think 11:30. 11:49. So almost time for the midnight projects. This is the new tool. I have been informed that doing the job the way I'm doing it is really a lot of extra work. So this is the key, according to a contractor friend of mine. Thank you, Jeff. So we're going to try this out for the first time. The key is setting this thing on the right depth. So it's set on 1/4 inch for the wood we're going to cut. And according to my friend, it's easy as pie using this puppy. So here we go. I just installed the blade, and it's handy to, when you read the directions, have one of these handy, because we don't want to admit it, we are getting older, and it's good to read the right thing the first time. So, yeah. My friend Steve-O, he cheats, and he's got a little card in his wallet, and he pulls it out. It's a little magnifying card, so nobody knows he's got it. But we all know anyway, Steve-O. So here we go. All right, bear with me here. All right. This is the new DeWalt. It's an 18-volt drill, and let's see here. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, definitely don't want those hanging. And we've got to get our glasses, so hold on. Bear with me here. All right. Hold on there. Woo. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to get a pair of these. Turn them off the side. Okay, here we go. Okay, well, I guess I need to make it a little bit more. I think that's a 3/8 instead of a 1/4, but look at that! Da 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 da! No more crowbar. Okay, and this little guy is awesome for cutting right around the cabinets. So you don't have to pull the cabinets out and then take the wood out from underneath it, from those houses that have wood all the way underneath the cabinets. Anyway, I'm having fun tonight. I hope y'all are too. Night.